I'm going to give this one another go now. I made up this cone just to have an old paint tin, so it's more of a nozzle where it's smaller at the end than here, so that should help with the top end, I hope. Apparently if you leave it open, that it's better for acceleration, and if you funnel it down, it's better for top end. I've had to move the motor forward a little bit, probably this far, just to fit all this in, and I made the wires a little bit better under there. The trouble with these EDFs is there's wires coming out the back of the motor and they've got to go somewhere, so it's all in the airflow, and I just had them pretty much down, you know, just like that. So now I've put them in a line, so it's going to hopefully be less restrictive. Alright, just going to give it one more go before I give up. I've moved the batteries back this much, so let's see what that does. Alright, so moving the batteries back didn't fix it, so I've moved my GPS from here all the way back to here. That's all I can do until I go back. And closer, but it's not happening. While I'm here, I might as well flatten the batteries and try everything. So I've just hooked up the batteries on 8S. I've just gone to series instead of parallel. This is how you blow stuff up, but maybe it can get the nose up with the extra power. We'll see. Yeah, it can't handle the amp draw, which is fair enough. I've shortened this now. It was right up to here, and it was 55 mil roughly round. So now it's 70. So we're starting from 90 to 70. That's a bit better. Starting to get on the plane now. Getting into some crazy shit now. I was thinking when I was playing around with that cone that all the water, like when it won't get up in the plane, all the water's coming up over here and going into the fan. So I'll stop that by putting this on. Whoops. I think the weight might be pushing that damn thing down now. Yeah, it's still sucking water. You can see it coming out the back. I think just get rid of that damn cone. Okay, wing off, tube off. Only difference now from when it did 40 k's an hour is this. That nozzle's got to go. I did have the motor back more before as well. That's the only other thing that's different. It's been about a week, a little bit over, since I last took this out. And as you can see, I've made a bit of a change. When I started on this project 3 or 4 weeks ago, I ordered this and it's only finally come in. Nozzle can go up or down. It can also steer. I don't want that. I've locked it into position so it can't steer. I still want to have my rudder, so I'm not lessening any drag or anything like that. I just want to keep everything as it was before I put this on. I didn't want to run the wires from the motor through this, like I didn't want to drill holes in this, so this is an extension, this piece here, and just riveted all together. And I've got it set all the way up. The way I did the servo, more for neatness than anything, didn't really allow too much movement on here. So I've got a little bit, just, I've only got that much. But if it works out, I can redo the servo and actually make it so I can move a lot. But I'll just keep it on the maximum height, see if that fixes it. Okay. Oh yeah, that's it. All right. Well, that worked a treat. What if I change it? Pull it up on the maximum. That pulls it down. Doesn't really change much. There's not enough movement there. Well, that was worth the effort. Totally worth it.